Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. Got an update here for you today. This update was inspired by something someone said to me in the gym. They said that they want the body of their dreams, but they just weren't willing to give up certain foods and do certain things. They wanted this great body. They wanted to look good and feel good, but they didn't want to give up some of the things that were bad for them to do. The soda and the bad food, the processed sugars. They wanted to just work out and hope that the working out would cancel those bad habits out. Okay, so let's talk about this a little bit. And the first thing I want to tell you is thank you for joining the channel. If you find this content interesting, if you like it, please click the subscribe button and click the like button and also click the reminder button so you know when I'm uploading more content. I appreciate it. So let's get into this here. So this particular person wanted the body of their dreams, but didn't want to do the things it took to get that body outside of the gym. So when you're working out, that's one part of it. Then there's another part, which is what we call outside the gym, or the other part of the other half, and that's the deprivation. You have to deprive yourself in order to get some of the things that you want. Let me talk about what I mean by that. I got the definition here of deprive and deprivation. Basically, to deprive is to remove or withhold enjoyment or possession. That's what deprive means. Deprive means to remove the enjoyment or possession. So if you have a goal, a fitness goal, and whatever it is, you want to feel a little bit better, look a little bit better, get your blood sugar better, get your heart healthier, you're going to have to deprive yourself of things that aren't good for you. Getting the body that you want comes from deprivation, not indulgence. Speaking of indulgence, let's delve into the definition there. Indulgence is to allow oneself to enjoy pleasure. Indulgence is to allow oneself to enjoy pleasure. So I don't mean that you can't have any pleasures, you can't enjoy things. The sugars, the processed foods, the flour, the fatty foods, the fried foods, all those things, you can't indulge in those if you want the body that's in your mind and in your vision, the body that you say is the body of your dreams, the body that you want, whatever that goal is, and it's different for everybody. But you can't have that if you're indulging in things that are not good for you. And there's a balance with all this stuff. But if you're trying to get to a goal, sometimes you got to put your foot on the pedal and push all the way through until you start seeing the reality of that goal come true. And I know that they always tell you, have a little bit, do the moderation thing. When you're trying to get to a goal that's way up here, a goal that's really big, there's no time for moderation. There's no time for it. Where does that fit in? You have got to deprive yourself of those things that are pleasurable that you know are not good for you. And you can't indulge in things that aren't good for you. Work out, hydrate, meal prep. Those are the three principles I talk about all the time. They are paramount to you succeeding with your health and fitness goals. I hope this has been informative. I hope you reach your health and fitness goals. If you have any questions, comments, pop them in below. Subscribe to the video if you like the content. Hope to see you soon. Hope this has been informative. Have a nice day.